Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best HP 61 black ink cartridge is probably one of the most essential components for anyone relying on their HP printer for daily tasks, whether it's printing important documents for work, school assignments, or even cherished family photos, ensuring that every page comes out crisp, clear, and professional looking without any smudges or faded lines, making it a reliable choice for consistent high-quality output. Number 5. GREENBOX 61XL Black Ink Cartridges Combo Pack, 2-pack. Get more out of your printer with our high-yield black ink cartridges. This combo pack offers exceptional value, ensuring you can print more pages for less. Designed for seamless integration, these cartridges are compatible with a wide range of HP printers. Enjoy hassle-free printing with your Envy, DeskJet, and OfficeJet series. Experience sharp and consistent black text and images with every print. Our remanufactured cartridges deliver professional quality results you can rely on. Replacing your ink has never been easier. Simply install the cartridge and continue printing without any complications. Count on reliable performance page after page. These cartridges are built to meet your printing needs, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience. Choosing our remanufactured cartridges is a smart and environmentally friendly option. Reduce waste and enjoy quality printing at the same time. What we like. Looking for maximum black ink output? This option provides an exceptionally high page yield, perfect for heavy printing tasks. If you primarily need black ink and want to print as much as possible on a budget, this is the choice for you. What people say. The HP 61 black ink cartridge is a reliable choice for everyday printing needs. This cartridge produces crisp and clear text, making it suitable for documents and reports. Number 4. GREENBOX Remanufactured Ink Cartridge HP 61XL Replacement. Get vibrant and clear prints every time with our high-quality ink cartridges. They are designed to deliver exceptional text and graphics for all your printing needs. Enjoy more printing for less. Our cartridges offer an impressive page yield, with up to 715 pages for black and 430 pages for tricolor, ensuring you can print more without frequent replacements. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of HP printers, including popular series like Envy, OfficeJet, and DeskJet. Please confirm your printer model uses 61 ink cartridges before purchase. This convenient 3-pack includes 2 black and 1 tricolor remanufactured ink cartridge. It's a cost-effective solution for your printing demands. Experience reliable performance with our remanufactured ink cartridges. They are engineered to provide consistent results, ensuring your documents and photos look their best. Opt for a more sustainable printing solution. Our remanufactured cartridges are an environmentally conscious choice, giving new life to used cartridges. What we like. Need both black and color printing in one convenient package? This combo pack offers multiple black cartridges along with a tricolor one, ensuring you're covered for all your printing needs. If you print a variety of documents and photos, this offers great versatility. What people say. The print quality is sharp and clear, making text documents look professional. The ink dries quickly, preventing smudges and ensuring clean prints. This cartridge is easy to install and recognized by the printer without any issues. Number 3. HP 61XL Black High-Yield Ink Cartridge. Introducing the HP 61XL Black High-Yield Ink Cartridge. It's designed to deliver exceptional quality and reliability for all your printing needs. This cartridge is compatible with a wide range of HP DeskJet, Envy, and OfficeJet printers. Check the list to ensure it works with your device. Get more out of every cartridge with its high-yield capacity, printing approximately 430 pages. This means fewer replacements and more value. Engineered to work seamlessly with HP printers, it ensures consistent, high-quality results every time. Perfect for home, office, and small business. Make a responsible choice with this ink cartridge. HP has upcycled over 2,300 metric tons of plastic from oceans into their ink cartridges. This cartridge is eligible for HP's Instant Ink program. Sign up to save money and have ink delivered right to your door when you need it. What we like. Prioritize reliability and seamless integration with your HP printer. This genuine HP cartridge guarantees consistent performance and is eligible for HP's Instant Ink program, potentially saving you money. If you value peace of mind and a trusted brand, this is the way to go. What people say. The ink cartridge works perfectly with my HP printer. The print quality is excellent, producing sharp and clear text. Easy to install and recognized by the printer immediately. Number 2. GREENBOX 61XL Ink Cartridge 2-pack. Get more out of your printer with our high-yield ink cartridges. Enjoy up to 715 pages for black and 430 pages for color, ensuring you can print more for less. These cartridges are designed for seamless compatibility with a wide range of HP Envy, DeskJet, and OfficeJet printers. Check the list to see if yours is included. Experience vibrant colors and sharp text with every print. Our ink delivers the quality you expect for all your documents and photos. Simply replace your old cartridges with our new ones for hassle-free printing. They are designed for a perfect fit and immediate use. Count on consistent and reliable performance for all your printing needs. These cartridges are built to deliver excellent results every time. Choose a more sustainable option with our remanufactured ink cartridges. Reduce waste and enjoy high-quality prints at the same time. What we like. Seeking a balanced solution for both text and color prints. This 2-pack includes one black and one tricolor cartridge, offering a good mix for everyday printing. If you need both types of ink without overbuying, this provides a practical and economical option. What people say. The ink cartridge works as expected. This is a genuine HP ink cartridge and it prints clearly. The ink cartridge was easy to install and the print quality is good. Number 1. Ankink 61XL Ink Cartridge Replacement for HP 61XL. Introducing the Ankink 61XL Ink Cartridge Replacement, designed for your HP 61XL printers. Experience vibrant and consistent printing with our reliable ink. This ink is compatible with a vast range of HP printers, ensuring a seamless fit for your printing needs. Check our list to see if yours is included. Get more done with our high-yield cartridges. The black cartridge offers approximately 700 pages, and the tricolor provides around 400 pages. Equipped with an intelligent chip, it guarantees full compatibility and optimal performance with your printer. You can rely on it for smooth operation. Enjoy clear, crisp text and vivid, true-to-life photos with every print. It delivers superb results for all your documents and images. Each cartridge undergoes strict quality control to ensure superb printing performance. You can trust it for consistent and high-quality output. What we like. Concerned about compatibility and print quality? This option features an intelligent chip for guaranteed compatibility and undergoes strict quality inspections to ensure crisp text and vibrant graphics. If you want reliable performance and excellent print results, this cartridge is a strong contender. What people say. The print quality is consistently good, producing sharp and clear text. The cartridge installs easily into the printer without any issues. It provides a good number of pages before needing replacement, offering decent value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.